This morning, the coronavirus crisis is far from over in hard-hit New York. Deaths in the state now more than 9,000. But the overall number of intubations is down, while the number of patients discharged daily is steady, suggesting the spread is slowing.
You're not seeing a great decline in the numbers, but you're seeing a flattening.
Governor Andrew Cuomo is now ordering businesses that are still open to provide face masks to workers who interact with the public. As the iconic St. Patrick's Cathedral sat virtually empty on Easter Sunday, its service was broadcast live online.
We miss you, though. We'd rather you be here physically.
While the curve may be flattening, the battle is not letting up for some doctors and nurses on the front lines.
Everyone is COVID positive in these hallways. All you hear is oxygen.
Dr. Eric Blutinger works at Mount Sinai Hospital in Queens.
Governor Cuomo announced that we potentially are getting close to the plateau phase, or at least the peak, but it's really hard to see that day to day, just given the extreme volume and acuity of our patient population.
Columbia University's Upper Manhattan Soccer Stadium is becoming a new field hospital for up to 300 COVID patients with mild symptoms.
Patients coming into the hospital don't come in and go right back home. So this is going to help us offload the hospitals where we are caring for a huge influx of COVID patients.
With social distancing rules still firmly in place, now the debate is raging over when to open up New York City schools.
We have to keep our schools closed for the remainder of the school year.
Mayor Bill de Blasio saying that over the weekend, but Governor Cuomo openly contradicted him, claiming it was his call and that no decision had been made.
June is a long way from now. We'll work with Jersey and Connecticut and our local governments in each state to come up with a coordinated plan.
Now, this is that emergency field hospital in Central Park, and there are some concerns about powerful winds that are set to roll through the area later today. We're told these tents are protected and can withstand winds of up to 65 miles an hour. But, Hoda, some drive-through testing sites in the region have been canceled today in anticipation of severe weather.